What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in like months. Well, actually it's been probably like over a month since I filmed. But yeah, today I actually wanted to show you guys this little palette right here. It's the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I actually already used this palette a few times, but I've been really wanting to show you guys a little cute, like, I guess tutorial using this palette. Do like a little get ready with me, show off my new hair using the Arctic Fox hair dye. I think it's the Virgin Pink. I actually just did it earlier and it came out so good. I feel like I look so cute with pink hair. And yeah, I guess let's get started. Alright, so I guess let's get started. I'm gonna use the Morphe primer for my eyelids. And I'm gonna prime my eyelids because I don't know, I just wanted to do my eyeshadow first today. Plus with this palette, since some of these shades have what is it called, like the pigment, like the pigment is different. I don't know, I can't remember the name of that, but yeah, the pigment is a little bit different, so like it kind of like there's more fallout in it and your eyes can get stained and stuff. So for today's look, I was thinking maybe I really wanted to do something like peachy with like these shades right here, since I already did a pink look using this eyeshadow palette, but I also did like a green one, so I don't know. Or maybe I can do like a darker green khaki look. Yeah, let's do green again. Why not? Fuck it. Who cares, right? So, I guess I'm gonna start off with this shade called What's the Tea? Since I already prepped my lids, I'm gonna use the Morphe M330 brush. I'm gonna like get rid of any like color on this brush, so it's all clean. And yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, dig into that shade. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback in this shade. Let me just move my mirror. And what's nice about this palette, it has like a big mirror. I'm just gonna like pack that shade on, I guess. Yeah, I never used this shade yet. And I've been wanting to like play around with this palette to see like which colors work the best. And so far, all of them were pretty good. Like, I think the only one that was somewhat patchy was like the purple. When I was mixing like the purple with the pink. Yeah, so far it's packing on really nicely. There's no patchiness or anything yet. Beautiful. I'm just gonna keep packing it on to kind of just make it more vibrant. Alright, I'm gonna tap all the axes of the eyeshadow on this brush, and I really want to grab this color called Los Angeles. I'm gonna take like the slightest amount and kind of just pack that on like the outer corner of the eye right here, just like so. And I'm gonna try to, somewhat blend it in, but not too much. It's a really pretty combination. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I think that's all for this, and then I want to really try to put the shimmer. Girl. Oh yeah, this shade is a little crumbly. What the hell? Yeah, I feel like this is really crumbly and it's kind of taking off the pigment that's underneath. Let me use my finger. Try to see if this works a little bit better. Oh yeah, maybe it was just a brush. The finger works a lot better. Yeah, that's cute, but it's not as, like, pigmented as I want it to be. I like that. And then I really want to take that glitter, Millions. I'm going to take a little bit of that glitter. Let me spray my brush real quick. I'm just going to, like, loosely just try to put that on top of that. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. And then let me go back in with that brush we used earlier, and I'm going to use a little bit of that color Boss Angeles. I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner of the eye a little bit more. Alright, just like that. I feel like that's a really cute look. What do you guys think? I like that. So to just save a little bit of time, let me quickly finish up the other eye of the camera, do my brows, and then we're going to get to the face. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the other eye finished. I kind of cleaned up underneath. Still not 100% perfect, so give me a little bit to actually fix that up. Alright guys, so for primer, we're going to be using the e.l.f. What is it? Poreless Putty Primer, like this. When you open it up, it has this texture like this. And then I'm going to put that all over my face. Oh, that's so nice. And it's very affordable as well. I'm just going to put a bunch of this on my face. Let me close this up. I'm just going to massage that into my skin. I like using a lot of those because it just keeps my face very hydrated throughout the day. And it doesn't make me look greasy. It leaves my face looking very, like, fresh. And it leaves my face looking very fresh and dewy and natural. Just going to spread that all over my face. And then for foundation, we're going to use the Juvia's Place foundation. And I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Like this. You honestly just need the smallest amount of this foundation. And then I'm going to use my Morphe foundation brush. And I'm going to start, blending this all over my face. I'm going to speed through this part for you guys real quick. Oh, this foundation is like heavy coverage. But yeah, that's all for the foundation. Now, let me put a little bit of this is the Morphe concealer, and I'm going to put this under my eyes. This concealer has a really nice coverage. And I'm going to mix this with the ColourPop No Filter concealer. These two concealers together, it really got a combination. But I'm just going to put the ColourPop right here. Just brighten the eye area a little bit. And I'm going to use the Morphe sponge. And we're just going to blend that. Alright, so the concealer is all blended underneath our eyes. And then, let me quickly put my brows on. And we're going to, finish up the rest real quick. Alright guys, so I'm back with the lashes and my eyebrows on. For the lashes, I use these lashes. These are the ones I'm wearing right now. They're really pretty. And then for my brows, I use the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in Caramel Brown. Alright, so let me just quickly set underneath my eyes in the spots that I need to be set. For the powder, I'm going to use this powder right here. It's the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to use the back of my Morphe sponge, take a little bit of that powder, and I'm just going to set underneath. I'm going to look up. Just like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on this eye right here. Look up. And I'm going to take the Morphe brush that I have right here. I'm going to take like the tiniest amount of that powder and just kind of lightly, you know, set rest of my face in. Not a lot, just tiny bit. I don't want to look too matte, and I'm going to get rid of that powder that's underneath the eyes. I used to hate this powder, but then, I don't know, I gave it another try, and surprisingly, I really like it so far. I feel like it makes my under eyes look so good. Alright, so that's all for the powder. And then I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer in Enemy. I'm going to take my angled Morphe brush. I'm going to dab in. And then we're just going to warm up the face a tiny bit. This is such a pretty, like, deep bronzer. I'm going to do my forehead. Just kind of warm everything up so we don't look so pale. And then I'm going to bronze up underneath my chin. Just like this. So we get rid of that double chin. Alright. And then for the blush, I want to use the e.l.f. Madison Miller palette right here. And we're going to use this pretty blush shade that's right in the middle right here. And I'm going to take the Luxie tapered highlighting blush. But I like to use this as a, you know, for my blush. I'm just going to pack that on. This is such a pretty color. Alright, so that's all for the blush. And then lastly, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Rodeo Drive highlighter. It's such a pretty, like, golden highlight. Look at that. Sorry for my crusty nails, but this highlight is banging. And then I'm going to use the Morphe M510 highlighting brush. And I'm going to... Oh, bitch. I'm going to put this on my cheeks. This is such a pretty highlight. I'm going to put it on my forehead. A little bit on my nose. Look at that highlight, guys. That looks beautiful. Alright, let me quickly do the inner corner of my eyes with this, actually, since we're using that. Let me find a little cute brush. Yep. I'm just gonna put some in the inner corners of the eye. Alright, so that's enough for the highlight. And then for the lips, I really want to use the Morphe lipstick in Peanut. This is the lipstick in Peanut. And then when you open it up, let me show you guys the color. This is the color of this lipstick. It's really pretty. For the setting spray, we're going to use the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist Red Organ Oil. I'm going to spread this all over my face. What the hell? I'm going to let that dry a little bit. Alright guys, so this is all for the finished look. What do you guys think? I feel like this is such a like grungy fall, you know, shimmery makeup look, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram, which is simi_violet, and yeah, I'm gonna list all the products down below for you guys. And I guess that's all in today's video. Love you guys. Bye.